There's a muskrat right there. A red wing. Little. Bald eagle. All the ducks started cruising outward from the shore, and then I was like, why would they all be moving that quick? And then I looked up and there was an eagle flying over here, and then it flew right over me. Wow, yeah. They all pushed further out. Yeah. Two muskrats. There was one that was going along here, back and forth, and I think there was one further out. So many ducks, dude. I keep trying to find that weird white one. Yeah. Oh, yeah, he's...
I thought the beak and like the head shape was different than a ring neck. It looked like it had a shorter snoot.
It, to me, through the phone and through the scope, it looked like a ring neck. Just with a really weird head. Cool. Cool. Could even one layer. Black.
Which way are we going?
We're looking for the red-headed.
Okay. Are we gonna do the loop and then look, or are we just going straight to it?
What loop?
Because can't you do the loop and you end at the red-headed?
We'd have to go that way.
Yeah.
And then go all the way around.
So we're not doing that.
No.
You are beautiful. Look at the color on its head.
Yeah, under its eye.
You're a beauty. You are. Look at you. I've never been this close to a moto. Look at the iridescence on the neck.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Yeah. I get it in my photos sometimes. The lighting's right.
Pretty. Oh, beauty. I always like photos. I think they're cute.
I just love the spot. They haven't moved. Yeah. So now they're just always right here. Weird little freaks. Honestly, really good. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Wait.